Hey, Alex, what are you doing here? I thought you had soccer practice.
Hey, Emma. Yeah, I did, but it got canceled because of the rain. So I decided to catch up on some homework. What about you?
I'm here for a study group. We're prepping for the history exam next week. How's your homework going?
Pretty good. Just finishing up math problems. Do you need any help with history?
Actually, yes, we're stuck on the causes of the French Revolution. Do you remember anything from last year?
Of course. The French Revolution had a lot of causes, like economic troubles, social inequalities, and the influence of Enlightenment ideas. Plus, King Louis XVI's poor leadership didn't help.
Thanks. That's really helpful, by the way. Did you see the new books they added to the library? There's a whole section on space exploration.
No way. I'll have to check it out. I love reading about space. Maybe I'll borrow one for the weekend.
You should. They even have a book on Mars missions that looks really interesting.
Awesome. Hey, do you want to grab a snack from the cafeteria after you study group?
Sure, we'll probably be done in an hour. Meet you there at 4.
Sounds good. See you then. And good luck with your study group.
Thanks, Alex. See you later.